Hey guys, I'm doing another video. Sorry, I couldn't think of nothing to say right now, but welcome back to another video, and I'm gonna be reacting to Gamingwithjen, our new King Cloud. But I know a lot of people watch this a lot, but I just want to make a reaction. But nobody else does popular MMOs or Gamingwithjen reaction videos, so I'm gonna do this for him. Gonna have a grape Kool-Aid. Look like, dude. Let go.
Hey guys, it's Jen.
What's up, guys?
So today we have some bad news, but some good news to share with you guys. So we're gonna start with the bad news first, and Pat, I'll let you take it away.
This is like a game show or something. No, I don't know what to do when you talk. So I'm glad that you gave me
Good.
to talk, because I'm just like,
Start
I just don't know what to do.
That's
Alright,
it,
anyway,
Pat.
so basically, you might remember Alice.
Oh yeah, let's get comfortable.
Don't
Get
make
super
fun.
cozy.
Don't make fun. Is that a bad spot for my foot?
Yes, nobody can see anything but your foot.
People don't know how to vlog. That's how it's done. So anyways, we made a vlog on our cat Alice a while ago, but sadly, she's gone. We ate her and she died.
We did not eat her. She's not dead. We didn't kill her.
Alright, we didn't.
I knew it.
No. Alright, so I'm going to tell the story. I'm going to try to say it quick because it's kind of long. I want to show you guys something awesome after. So basically, Alice, one day she went bonkers.
She did completely bonkers.
I don't even know what happened, but it was weird. She's like, all of a sudden, like one day, you couldn't go near her and she would jump through the air.
Reenact it. I don't think you can.
I probably could. You're going to have to get up. Get up. She would jump through the air backwards. Oh, I didn't know you were going to pick that up. All right.
Picking it up.
Okay.
This is getting serious.
All right. Tell me you have a good,
Show us to do it, Pat.
good view of me.
Oh, I got a good view.
All right.
Do it.
I'm
Show me from here. Right.
Okay.
And she'd be like,
That's like a frog, but
Oh my god.
like
the
that.
kitty is
Exactly what
tripping.
she did. Wait, reenact when she was in the room and she was like staring into nothing.
All right. So then after that, I don't know why, but I'll tell you what after, but I'll just show you. She'd go like this.
We believe that she might have been a medium.
Actually, I diagnosed her since I'm a doctor.
Like that.
And put the camera back where it
Okay.
was. Put it back. Swiftly do this. Boom! It's upside down.
Upside down, dude.
Oh man, this is called quality videos.
Really, really good.
All right, so I actually diagnosed her because I'm a part doctor, I believe.
You think you're part everything.
I tell people this. So I thought she was blind because she would like look like not at you, and she looked like she didn't know where she was. So like, let's say you're in front of her, she would look over here, she'd be like,
Yeah.
and I don't know, it was sad actually.
It was
Because we
very
couldn't
sad.
play with her, and so since I thought she was blind, I literally thought she was. We brought her to the vet the next day.
We did.
And I told them she's probably blind, she might see ghosts. They said, you're an idiot. And they said, she's either crazy
Or medium.
or medium. No, I said nothing's wrong with her.
Yeah.
And that she'll be fine in a couple days.
So we had her for like a month after that.
Yeah.
And it got worse. Basically, she was spending all day in the bathtub.
Yeah.
And so we went ahead and we called the shelter that we bought her from, and they said to bring her back in. And it's important to mention that when we first adopted her, they told us that she was a feral cat, which means that she lived out in the wild. She didn't really have any human contact, and they were actually planning on her releasing her back into the wild.
Wait, I got this.
Okay.
That's why they chopped her ear. If you've seen the video, she's missing part of her ear. When they fix a cat, they chop its ear if they bring it back to the wild so they don't refix it. Because they said that they sometimes they open them up or something and they're like, oops, already removed the thingy.
Stitch that back up.
And that literally happened, so that's why they cut it. But she was really aggressive, I guess.
Oh, maybe
and then
that's
she stopped
the
being
ear.
aggressive, so we'll try to sell her, I guess.
Yeah, but then,
It didn't end up.
downhill.
So that's why
I
they
think it's
asked us
the
to just bring
ear
her back
that's
because
messing her
I
up.
guess she ended up not being fit as a house cat.
Yes, and we felt really bad doing that because we did really like her.
Yeah.
But she was not happy, and you could tell that she was not happy at all living
mean like
here.
Grumpy
So
Cat,
I think
right?
it was best for her, and the shelter that we got her from is really nice. They don't like cage
Oh,
animals.
God,
They're
it's so
allowed to
ugly.
walk around freely.
And then outside area.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
that's
it's
ugly.
actually really nice.
But
Face.
so we do have good news too.
Yes, we do. So I'm gonna grab the camera, and we're gonna go.
All right. Where are we going?
We're going to find. Well, we probably should mention what we're doing first.
No.
Oh no! There's Cloud! So we got Persian kitten.
Look, we're twins.
He's super friendly. He likes his feet tickled. No, he doesn't.
No, he doesn't.
No, he doesn't.
You know what he doesn't like, but I'm going to show it anyway? To dance.
He hates it. You're torturing
That's
him.
what I do to all cats. I make them dance.
But he follows us around all day long meowing.
And he loves his ball.
We have 3 minutes left before the camera dies. Do your thing.
Oh, wait. New video idea for public MMOs. Show Cloud his baby stuff. Like when he was a little tiny kitten. New video idea. Comment down. New public MMOs video idea. Comment down right now. Damn it. Don't worry about that.
Do it! He loves his ball. He spends all day in it. He will not leave it.
He actually learned to play by himself, where he'll jump around in the ball and then run out and grab his toy. Alright, let's see if we can do this.
Go, Cloud.
This is what he's trained for.
He's trained for this moment. Oh god, I think he's stuck to it.
This happens a lot. He gets his claws stuck to absolutely everything, and he actually climbs up me when he wants me to pick him up.
Oh my god. He can really jump.
Don't let his size or cuteness fool you. He is a ferocious beast.
He's a savage. He actually licks the furniture, which is odd, because we think he finds everything appealing.
Yeah, he does.
Look at this. He's trying to train him. He's going to lift weights with me.
He's stuck.
Oh, he is? Come in, little baby.
Oh my god. And his eyes are super teary. We have to clean him every day, and he absolutely hates it. He cries like a little baby.
I've never tried to take him out of the ball before, but I'm going to try to do it to show you he has a raccoon tail.
He does.
A
Alright.
raccoon tail?
Come here. Stop going after it. He bites everything.
He's in play mode.
I know, so he might look raccoon tail.
Raccoon tail.
Cute.
And the cutest cat in the world.
Oh my god, he's so adorable.
He's named after the guy from Final Fantasy. He's
No,
Cloud.
well, you think that, but I named him Cloud because he looks like a puffy little cloud, so I thought it fit him
Still
well.
playing.
And
See,
yeah, he bites you and then he licks you.
See? The licking. He loves me.
Oh, there he goes. Wait, he might lick it.
Soon.
Is he doing it? He's licking it. He's licking the chair.
Oh, shoot.
Why do you do this? It's so weird.
He loves.
Hold on. Alright guys, I already charged up my phone. I apologize. Let's continue this reaction, shall we?
The chair.
It's really weird.
Alright, stop.
I have to say.
You're gonna get a tongue thing. You're gonna get wood in your tongue.
You're gonna get a sliver.
Oh, I'm gonna finish the video off with a trick that I have for myself.
Alright, I did want to mention we have 1 minute left, so you better hurry. But we're gonna do an updated house tour soon.
Hurry.
And Pat wants to show you his weight room, and that was an epic fail. But good try.
Hurry, dude.
Oh yeah,
Yay.
bingo. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. We love you. Bye.
Bye. So, that was our new kitten Cloud reaction. So, if you guys enjoyed it, hold on. So, if you guys enjoyed it very much, click that like button or subscribe, and if you subscribe to me, click that bell icon for more videos so you can get notifications if you want to see my new videos. So, or comment down below. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, my new video idea. Show Cloud his baby toys. And, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.